Hello viewers, I want to share with you paper 3 subsections, just briefly getting to know what paper 3 is all about in Uganda. Paper 3 entrepreneurship is divided into 3 sections. We have section A, which is a success story. They give you a success story and you're supposed to read the story and then answer the questions using the story. However, the answers from that story, the answers to the questions come from the story, others come as in the indirect answers. So you'll be getting ways of how you are supposed to answer such case studies. They are stories, so we refer to them as case studies. So answers are some of them are direct, others are indirect. In section B of the same paper, we have what they call the school business club. The school business club consists of two numbers, where these questions are aimed at trying to evaluate whether the student was able to participate in a business club, because the business club runs very many business club projects, which include small business projects like maybe selling cassava, selling popcorns in the school setting. So a student is expected to participate in at least one of them and use them to answer those questions. There are 2 questions, you use the same business project. Remember, I've said the business club of the school consists of very many business club projects. These business club projects are aided by the project manager, the treasurer, the secretary. You can have the production manager, the purchasing officer, and other structure accordingly, for at least the maximum of 20 students. That is briefly about the section B, business club of paper 3. Section C has 2 numbers. One is an attachment, another one is a field trip number. The attachment, due to the challenges we face in our school settings, learners are meant to go and be attached to a business, but because we have failed for now and we are unable to go and be attached to a business, students do it theoretically. However, when you're answering it, know that it's supposed to be an attachment where you're supposed to have been involved in the business activities. The business is existing, you do not forge, you know where it is, you know how many people are there, you know the different assets of the business, you know how they handle cash, you know how they communicate with the workers, and many other things, because you've been actively involved in the business. But for section B, section C, number 5, which is the field trip, that one is even when you just go there once for that particular business, when you're answering that question, it shows that you only visited. You do not have a lot of information. However, even when you're answering it, you're supposed to show that those questions or answers that you have were evident. Because this paper, in summary, talks about the evidence. The evidence has to come out properly, and a person has to answer those questions but bring out the evidence. We shall be discussing in detail. This is just an introduction to let you know that in Uganda we have basically entrepreneurship paper 3 to bring out the practical element in the school, which are 3 sections: section A, section B, section C. Section A is the success story about an entrepreneur, section B is about the school business club, and section C has 2 numbers. One is attachment and the other one is field trip. Thank you for listening. Let's prepare for our next lesson.